Hello and welcome to our review of Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner. As car enthusiasts, we all want to keep our cars looking their best. Choosing the right car wash shampoo can make a big difference in the appearance and maintenance of your car. In this video, we'll be reviewing Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner to help you decide if it's the right product for you. We'll go through the features, benefits, and effectiveness of this product. So, let's get started. Features? First, let's look at the features of car wash shampoo and conditioner. This product is designed to clean and condition your car's paint in one easy step. It's pH balanced and formulated with special ingredients that create a rich foam to gently remove dirt and grime from the surface of the car. The conditioner in the formula is designed to enhance the shine and protect the paint, leaving a glossy finish on the car. This product is safe for use on all types of paint, including clear coats, and is biodegradable. Benefits. Now let's move on to the benefits of using car wash shampoo and conditioner. Firstly, the pH balance formula means that it won't strip away any wax or sealant that you may have on your car's paint. This is important as it helps to protect the paint and maintain its shine. Additionally, the rich foam created by this product makes it easier to remove dirt and grime from the car's surface, reducing the chances of scratching or damaging the paint. The conditioner in the formula helps to protect the paint from the sun's UV rays, which can cause fading and damage over time. Lastly, the biodegradable formula is eco-friendly and won't harm the environment. Effectiveness. Now let's take a closer look at how effective car wash shampoo and conditioner is in cleaning and protecting the car's paint. We tested this product on a variety of cars with different types of paint, including clear coats, and found that it was effective in removing dirt and grime without damaging the paint. The rich foam created by the product made it easy to apply and remove, leaving a clean and shiny finish on the car. The conditioner in the formula added an extra layer of protection to the paint, enhancing the shine and helping to prevent fading and damage over time. Ease of use. When it comes to ease of use, Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner is simple and straightforward. To use, simply add a small amount of the product to a bucket of water and mix until suds form. Then, using a sponge or mitt, apply the foam to the surface of the car and rinse off with clean water. The rich foam created by the product means that a little goes a long way, making it an economical choice. The pH balance formula also means that it's safe to use on all types of paint, making it a versatile product that can be used on any car. Value for money. Finally, let's look at the value for money of Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner. This product is priced higher than some other car wash shampoos on the market, but the added conditioner in the formula makes it worth the investment. The conditioner helps to protect the paint from damage and fading over time, making it a good value for those looking to maintain the appearance and value of their car. If you're looking for a car wash shampoo that not only cleans your car but also protects the paint, Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner is a great choice. It's safe for use on all types of paint and produces a rich foam that effectively removes dirt and grime from the car's surface. The added conditioner in the formula enhances the shine and protects the paint from damage over time, making it a good value for money. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.